Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the text behind this image like this, from this one to become this one. And surprisingly, to create it, the text behind this photo or this object, you can create this, or you can add the text over here for free and effortless. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can visit this text behind image ai.com, and don't worry, you don't need to do the login with your email, or you don't need to do the sign up. So the very first step you can do, you can start to choose the image over here from your gallery. And for example, I will start to select the picture here, for example this one, and kindly wait for the uploading process over here, and also make sure that your connection is good. And after that, you'll see there is the text that actually has the huge size. So if you would like to change the size of the text, so you can start to use this font size and start to slide it to the left to reduce the size, or minimize the size like this. And after that, if you would like to change the position, so you can click this one, the position. And for example, I want that this text will go upper, so I will choose this vertical position. The more you move it to the left, so it will go upper, guys. And for the horizontal, it will move it, let's say, to the right or to the left like this. And to put it in the middle, so you can make sure that the position will be in the 50%. And if you'd like to change the color, so you can go to this section, and if you need another color, so you can click this. It's kind of the return, and you'll see there are a lot of color spectrum they have, until you find which color that you prefer. For example, I will choose black over here. It's kind of almost the purple, very dark purple. And if you'd like to do the editing for your text over here, so you can do this here. For example, Mike Tyson, like this. And you can also put your text, the thing that you want over here, and you can also adjust the position, whether that it will be to the left or middle or right. There's no justify over here, by the way. And also you can make it bold or italic like this. And this will be the section of the font style. Which one do you prefer? And if you would like to play about the object, so you can also, let's say, do the brightness over here. It's kind of the small editing for your photo. Let me minimize the size. And this will be the letter spacing. If you move this, so the letter gonna be more tight each other. And if you move it to the right, so it's gonna be more space in it. And this will be the rotate for the text itself. And again, this will be the color. And if you feel like it is already enough, so you can start to click this drop down, whether that you can download it in PNG format or JPEG format. Which one do you prefer? For example, I will choose this one and click export and click download, and this will be the result we have. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to try this text behind image AI to create your creation or add the text into the photo. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in a comment section because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.